Hello, Sufyan.
Hello.
What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship means to me to have a friend who can help me and respect me and accept my opinions.
Hello, Yasmin.
Hi.
What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship is to be loyal and honest in all circumstances.
Hello, Haytham.
Hi.
What does friendship mean to you?
For me, friendship is life we can't live without children.
Hello, Malak.
Hello.
What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship is to be there when I'm eager.
Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship is so much time for me.
To my best friend Ian, I wish we could switch places for just a day, so you could see what I see every time I look at you. When I look at you, I see my best friend. I see someone who goes above and beyond to have my back. Your best friend Sufyan.
To my best friend Ella, it makes me happy to know that I will always have you in my life, and you will always have me in your life too. I love you more than you will ever know. Your best friend Yasmin.